If you're suffering from hair loss, thin edges, and alopecia just like this, okay, and this is my process or this is my progress, stick around and let me show you the ingredients I use. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today I want to try you guys know I like trying things, so I want to try a hack. Okay, I want to be using aloe vera gel on my edges for maybe 7 days or 14 days. Every other day I'll show you guys how I am applying this on my hair. Okay, so today is day 1. This is my edges right now in day 1. So this is the aloe vera gel. I just have few aloe vera in my house and I want to see if what is going to do to my front edges. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing this consistently for 7 days on my front edges. I'll just open it like this and use this place and rub it on my front edges and this side like this, the way I am doing it like this every other day for 7 or 14 days depending, and see what the growth is going to give, because I find that aloe vera has amazing benefit for hair growth and the rest. So I said let me try it out. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share, beautiful comment. And yeah, so I am not going to like give a tutorial on how I brought out my gel, blah blah blah, yali. No, I'll just take this stem just like this, cut it, apply it directly on my hair. I'm not going to give how you remove aloe vera from this thing. I'm just going to open it and apply it directly on my hair and see, is it going to itch me? I don't know. I'll let you guys know maybe when it has dried if I have any itchy reaction also. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 2. Today is 20th of March, so tomorrow will be 21 of March. Yeah, so we're going to be doing this till 27. We'll see. Anyway, so see you guys later. Bye. So guys, this is day 2 of using aloe vera gel. So I'll just do is just split it like this into 2, then open it with my hands. Yeah, it's not focusing, but anyway, I'll just open it like this. Okay, so I open it like this and I'm going to use it to rub here. So you see, all the juice has gone outside. All the juice has come outside. So I don't really have much inside it. Anyway, but there's still something inside. Just make sure that all this place is being taken care of. I know I'm not supposed to be on my front edges and doing no hands challenge, but because of this aloe vera I have to touch it, but no hair fall on my edges. So we'll see how this turn out. So what I experienced on the one, what I experienced after few minutes was like I was having this urge to itch my front edges, but I did not scratch. Okay, so I was having this urge to itch my front edges. So I don't know if it's part of like reaction towards aloe vera, I don't know, but that was what I was feeling. But after a few seconds it stopped and I carried my hair like that. So this is my hair for now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. So this is the benefit of aloe vera. Okay, as you guys have seen, I'm applying this aloe vera directly and directly on my scalp. Okay, so it helps in scalp infection or inflammatory. It helps to grow out any bald spots you have. Okay, work it with your hand into your scalp and at the ends of your hair. Okay, it helps to seal the moisture back into your hair. Okay, so aloe vera helps in growing your hair in different ways. All right, besties, so I'm just using only the fresh aloe vera after I apply this all over my edges, because we're concentrating more on my front edges. After applying it all over my edges, I'm going to use my scalp massager here to massage that place for 1 hour. Sorry, still 1 hour. 1 minute, don't mind me. 1 minute each. Okay, for this side I massage for 1 minute, for the other side I massage for 1 minute, and then I will leave it. So that is what I did on day 3. I continue doing that for the next days, okay, till day 7. Yeah, besties, if you've watched this essay, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, share a beautiful comment. Aloe vera has amazing benefits that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. The only downside effect I don't really like is after application I got like an itchy sensation. Okay, like just I wanted to itch the front of my edges. Yeah, that was the only downside I experienced, but any other stuff was marvelous. So this is what my edges looks like after application. Let me know what you guys think. Is there a progress? Let me know in the comment section. So this is day 4. I'll be doing the same routine. Apply it, use my scalp massager to massage for 1 minute for each side, then I will let my hair to rest. So that's what I have been doing for the past 7 days, and after that I'll show you guys at the ending of the video the growth I have. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. If you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment. Like, I literally make sure that I remove every gel from the aloe vera. Okay, I remove every gel from the aloe vera. All right, so if you are afraid of the fallout, like all these white things, don't worry, they actually dissolve the next day, okay, from your hair. Yeah, so as you can see, there is nothing, like it's really clear. So I'll go back again, apply, and use my scalp massager to massage. So this is the next day. All right. And we are doing the same thing. Yeah, besties, so please enjoy the rest of the video. Please watch the video to the end to find out my end result. Here is day 6, and we are almost coming to the end of this particular challenge, and I literally enjoyed this. Okay, my edges really benefited. So this is day 6 of my edges, guys. Are you seeing what I am seeing? Let me know, what do you guys think, okay, in the comment section. So my edges really benefited from this, using this aloe vera on my edges, okay. And I think I should have done this earlier on, like previously. So now I know, okay, aloe vera is good. All right, I did not have any fallout applying this every day on my hair. All right, but the downside I only had was that my edges was itchy, like it was itching me a lot, but after a few minutes it stopped itchy. So if you want to try this out, do try it. It works. Only applying only aloe vera on your edges, it actually works. As you guys can see from my hair, it works. My edges has improved a bit. Yeah, so I'm going to go back with my scalp massager and massage it for 1 hour, for 1 minute. I don't know why I'm saying 1 hour. For 1 minute, guys, 1 minute alone. So I had to fast forward the video. So yeah, I massaged my scalp for 1 minute in both sides, and after that I had this amazing sensation, okay, on my scalp. Like I think there was a flow that place. Yeah, you know, you guys, I've been struggling with these edges. I can't wait for it to grow to the way I want it. But I see hair though, I see hair. Let me know. This is my hair without, before application, okay. So one thing about my hair is that before application you think there is nothing there, but when I start applying it on my hair, you will see those small hairs start coming out. So I'm just going to do the same routine. This is day 7, the same routine, and I'll show you guys at the end of the video, after application, at the end of the video, how my front edges is looking. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment, and let me know, what do you guys think about using aloe vera. Aloe vera really helps in terms of hair growth, okay. So this is a successful experiment, okay, and I'll be doing more of this on my hair. So I took another angle to show you guys what my edges looks like. Okay, this is what my edges is looking like. Okay, let me know, what do you guys think? Is there a growth? Yes, there is a growth, and I'll see you all in the next video.